Hello, students. This is Purushottam Vishwakarma, and today we are going to study the very important topic in class ninth, 10th, and 11th standard of CBSE, error correction. Stay with me. We'll try to solve four questions, and I'll tell you in this video how to solve these questions easily. So, without any delay, let's begin. There are some important things which we have to keep in mind. First one, read the passage carefully. You will be given a passage. So, what you have to do? Read the passage carefully. And if you read it carefully, you'll be able to find it whether the passage is in past, present, or in future. The same is written here. Identify the tense used in the passage and see if it is suitable in the context. Once you see the passage, once you read the passage, you will be able to find whether it is in present, past, or future tense. And then you have to notice if it is suitable in the context given. Next, try to look for errors in verbs where you have to focus verbs, noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and determinants. These are main topics where you have to focus. These may be errors. What may be errors? Errors in form of verbs, noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and determinants. Most of all, you have to look verbs and tenses, whether the verb is according to subject or not. That is also known as subject verb agreement. Ensure that the verb agrees with the subject both in number and person. Let's try to understand it with examples. I have taken an example. In 2004, there were nearly 80,000 candidates who want to study medicine. Since then, the number of students opting for medicine has been declined. If you look at the passage, the first of all thing you notice, the passage is written in past. Why? It is about 2004. The date is mentioned of 2004. It clearly suggests that this passage is about a past event. Next thing, if the passage is given in past, the verb must also come in past. So, one thing we have to keep in mind, verb must be in past and it should agree with the subject. So, let's see. In 2004, there were nearly 80,000 candidates who want. What is written here? Want. What I told you, there were in past tense. So, want is our error and correction is wanted. So, what is our correction? Wanted. Error is want. One is clear. Let's come to the second one. Wanted to study. To is followed by main verb, first form of verb. So, to studies is wrong. What will be right? Study is wrong. What will be right? Study. To is followed by first form of verb. Study medicine. Now it's clear. Since then, the number of students, only one error in one line. Students opting for medicine has been decline. Has been present perfect continuous tense. Has been declining. With has been, ing form of verb is used. So medicine has been declining. So what is our correction? Decline is our error and correction is declining. I hope this is clear. Take. This is because it take. Now this is because it take. It takes, not take. It is, what is it? It is singular, and singular subject come with a singular verb. Take is a plural verb and takes is a singular in present indefinite or simple present tense. It takes. So what will be our correction? Takes. To establishing in the field a minimum of 15 years. Here, if you notice the sentence, this is because it takes a comparatively longer time for one to establishing in the field a minimum of 15 years. Establishing, to is followed by participle. It is not correct here. What is correct? To establish. So what will be your answer? To establish in place of establishing. So what is error here? Establishing, and correction establish. Let's see another example. The maximum number of people as. Here subject is plural. So plural verb must come in the sentence. As I told you in starting, we have to be very careful regarding verbs, preposition, conjunction, noun, pronoun. As. As is singular. So what will be our answer? Error. You have to write as in error column while error in correction column. When it come to obey traffic signals. When it comes. What is correction here? Comes. When it comes to obey traffic signals. Let's continue. Traffic jams and the crowd during rush hour has make this category. Traffic jams and the crowd. Traffic jams and the crowd. This is our subject. It's very obvious it is plural subject. During rush hour, that is not important for us. Has make. Has make. With has, have, had, we use third form of verb. So what is the third form of make? Made. Has made. So our error is make and correction is made. I hope this is clear. Top the list of cases that had been booked under the Motor Vehicles Act. Had been booked. If you notice here, had been booked. It is in passive voice. Had been booked. In passive voice, we use third form of verb. Had been booked under the Motor Vehicles Act. Now let's come to the last. The number of offenses are gone up. Are gone up. Not are. Have. Have gone up. The number of offenses have gone up drastically. Let's see other examples. The third one, reservation from seats is. One of the very sensitive and controversial issues that is being debated in the country today. It has generated more heat for light. So let's see in this passage. Reservation from seats. What's wrong here? Reservation of seats rather than from. What is our answer? Reservation of seats is one of the very. After the, there must come superlative degree. Not very. One of the most sensitive. So what is wrong here? Very. And correction is most. One of the most sensitive and controversial issues that is being debated, as I told you in the last question. Being, is being, had been, these are used in passive voice, and then after comes the third form of verb, past participle of verb. So what is correction here? Debated. Debated. Wrong is debate and correction is debated. It has generated more heat for light. It doesn't make any sense. Heat for light. So what will be correction here? Than. It has generated more heat than light. Now last one in this one. It is being criticized by various sections of the society. It is been. We use been with has or have. But here it has been criticized by various sections of the society. Otherwise, what can other word be used? It is being. It is being. In place of been, we'll use it is being. It is being criticized by various sections of the society. So what is wrong here? Been. Error is been and correction is being. Now the last one in this video. I went to the pool, then no one was there. The place being quiet, a water was still, and the tiled bottom was so white and clean as a bathtub. I am timid about going in alone. If you notice in this question, this passage is written in past. So basically, the errors will be related to past. Otherwise, we'll try to find others. I went to the pool, then no one. Then, not then. It should be something else. What will be correction? I went to the pool. In place of then, it must be when. So, what is correct sentence? I went to the pool when no one was there. The place being quiet. Being is wrong here. The place was quiet. How was the place? The place was quiet. A water was still and the tiled. A water. Before water and such words which are unique in the world, we use the, not a. So the water was still. What is correction here? The in place of a. Next, bottom was so white and clean as a bathtub. So white and clean. Bottom was so white and clean as a bathtub. What is correction here? As dash as. The bottom was as white and clean as a bathtub. So what is wrong here? So, and correction is as. Error is so, correction is as. Let's continue to the last one. I'm timid about going in alone. I am timid about going in alone. So I am timid. It is written in past, not I am. What will be correction? I was. In place of am, you have to use was. I was timid about going in alone. Hope you understood the concept of error correction.